Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how I install this crochet braid, and I'm gonna do a hair review as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I have my weaving net because my hair is very short. I've done it like in the pop-up style because my hair is really short. There's no way I can get my crochet into it, so I have that weaving net on my hair and I've just tucked in the middle of it into my hair. So after that I'm gonna adjust it, and this is the time where I have my hair. This here I've got from AliExpress. This is the Jerry coils, and I bought it from AliExpress and I really love it. This is the one burgundy, so they've got in different colors as well. It's really nice. You'll see what I mean when I'm done because the coils is really nice. So it's 12 inches, and I've not cut it. I'm just gonna be using it like that. So that's my crochet now. So with my crochet I've tried to split this one, but obviously at the end I'm not gonna be splitting it. Sorry my baby. So I'm not gonna be splitting it. So the first thing you want to be doing is put your crochet into your hair, insert your hair into it, and you close your roots. After that you get it out and just pull one strand of the hair to make sure your crochet is secure, and that is it really. I'm just gonna be repeating the process. If you watch me closely all through this video, you will understand how I did the crochet. So I've just only put my crochet and I'm just gonna put in like one part of the crochet and I will pull it out, and it's gonna be tight. It's just gonna be secure onto my hair. It's not gonna come out. Plus it doesn't have that big knot on it. That's why I want it to look natural. So I'm just gonna keep repeating the process all through the hair. I've not splitted the hair. I've not splitted it because when you split it you're just only really like, it's like you're really have to do like more hair. So it's not really giving me any problems. I'm just going to be using it like that. Again, take your crochet, make sure your crochet is put into your hair. I'm going to show you the back, so make sure you put your crochet into your hair and put your extension. Then you will take one part of it and you pull it and it's gonna get secured. So that is the process. I'm gonna keep repeating this process. So that's what I'm doing.